Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE A53 Plus, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So, to get started, you'll need to turn off the device by holding your power button and then selecting power off. When the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. In a moment, you should see a ZTE logo on the screen, at which point you will want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume down. And this will boot us into recovery mode. In here, using volume buttons to navigate either up or down, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it using your power button. Select yes. At the bottom you will see cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default, so press your power button once again to initiate that reboot, which will take you back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.